Samsung's Galaxy Buds is a good alternative to other wireless earpieces out there today. Although still relatively young, it has proven to be a stable product with a good track record to support it. Lately though, we've been getting some reports that some owners are complaining that their Galaxy Buds won't turn on. If you are one of these unlucky owners dealing with the dead buds, this video should help. First, check case and earpieces for physical damage. Even with its protective case, your buds can get damaged if you drop them. Just like any electronic device, just enough unlucky drop can kill the entire system or break the internal circuit. Remember, the case of your buds also functions as a charger and has internal circuits in order to charge your earpieces. If your Galaxy Buds won't turn on, you want to consider checking for damage first, especially if the problem followed after you accidentally dropped the case or hit it with something hard. Next, charge your Galaxy Buds to power it on. In most cases, the reason why a Galaxy Buds won't turn on is no battery power. You will know if the Galaxy Buds case can no longer charge the earpieces it has its own battery. If the light in front is blinking red or non-existent, try opening and closing the case once and see if there's any LED indicator. If there's still no light, you will have to charge the case and see if that will fix the problem. Next, use S10 or Note 10 fast charger. In order to charge fast, try using the official Samsung Galaxy adapter and USB cable of either a Galaxy S10 or Note 10. The parameters of these accessories are fully compatible with your buds, so they are optimized to charge your gadgets. Next, use wireless charging. Alternatively, you can use a Galaxy S10 or Note 10 wireless power share feature to wirelessly charge your buds conveniently. You want to do this if you don't have access to a wired adapter or USB cable. Simply enable wireless power share feature on your Galaxy phone, place the Samsung Buds case on the back and wait for it to charge. Keep in mind that an S10 or Note 10 will stop wireless charge if its battery level is below 30%, so make sure that you have plenty of power on your phone. Next, reboot Samsung Buds. Just like any electronic gadget, your buds may encounter problems or bugs. Although it's rare to have issues with this top-notch Samsung device, we cannot rule out problems 100% of the time. If your buds appear to be restarting on its own, won't connect, won't turn on or won't charge, you should consider restarting it first. This is a basic troubleshooting step in any of these cases. Just close the charging case. Wait for at least 7 seconds. Reopen the charging case and see if the earbuds connects to your phone or gadget automatically. Lastly, factory reset Samsung Buds. If the buds enters this vicious cycle, won't turn on, charges, dies unexpectedly, charges and so on, there may be a problem with its software. You will need to factory reset it. Just open the Galaxy Wearable app. Scroll down and tap About Earbuds. Tap Reset Earbuds, then tap Reset to confirm. Take note that if you are using a non-Samsung device like an iPhone, you won't be able to access the reset function of your buds. Find an Android phone, install the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store, then reset your buds using the app. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.